Have you ever wondered, what if everything we see, everything we feel, and everything we know about the present is actually just the past? That might sound like science fiction, but it's not. It's pure cold physics. And here's the kicker. Based on this fact, it's entirely possible and scientifically plausible that Earth as we know it could already be gone, obliterated, wiped out, and we wouldn't even know. Everything you see, from the face of someone across the room to the stars in the night sky, is a message from the past. Light takes time to travel, even though it moves at 299,792 kilometers per second. When you look at the moon, you're seeing it as it was 1.3 seconds ago. The sun? That's 8 minutes in the past. If the sun exploded this very second, we'd still see it shining peacefully in the sky for over 8 more minutes. Take a second to let that sink in. The present we experience is delayed. All of it, even the screen you're watching this video on. It takes light a few nanoseconds to travel from it to your eyes. Your brain processes those signals after they've already happened. Reality isn't live. It's a broadcast with lag. Now multiply that lag by cosmic distances. The nearest star, you're seeing it as it was 4 years ago. The Andromeda Galaxy, over 2.5 million years ago. And some of the deepest images from the James Webb Space Telescope, over 13 billion years into the past. We're not just looking across the universe, we're looking back in time. So what does this have to do with Earth being destroyed? Simple. If someone were out there right now, in a galaxy 100 million light years away, and they pointed a telescope at Earth, they wouldn't see us as we are today. They'd see dinosaurs. That's how long Earth's light would take to reach them. But now let's flip the script. What if we are the ones in the dark? What if something catastrophic, like an asteroid impact, a gamma ray burst, a rogue black hole, destroyed Earth, and the information about it just hasn't reached us yet? Remember, light takes time to travel, and if we're not near the source of the disaster, we wouldn't see it happening. We'd still see sunlight shining. We'd still see the stars twinkling. We'd still live our lives in a bubble of delayed awareness. Think of it like a cosmic version of watching a movie on tape delay. You're watching the action unfold, unaware that the ending has already happened. You just haven't reached it yet. This isn't just theory. It's baked into the very fabric of space-time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time and space are woven together in a 4-dimensional continuum. Events don't happen now everywhere. The order of things depends on where you are and how fast you're moving. There's no universal now. There's only your now. So when we say the Earth is fine, what we really mean is, the Earth was fine the last time we got the message. And because we're inside that system, we might not notice if something's changed until it's far too late. Let's play with that for a second. Imagine an alien civilization with ultra-advanced technology watching us from a planet 500 light-years away. The light they're receiving now left Earth 500 years ago, during the Renaissance. They'd see humans just beginning to map the stars and explore science. They'd have no idea that we've invented computers, split the atom, or sent probes to other planets. They might even think we're still riding horses and worshipping the sun. Now flip that around again. What if we're the ones behind the curtain? What if something incomprehensibly huge is unfolding right now? A wave of destruction sweeping through the galaxy. But the light of that event hasn't reached us yet. From our point of view, everything seems normal. But that's because we're lagging behind reality. Let's go one level deeper. Even your brain doesn't experience the present in real time. It takes about 200 milliseconds for your eyes to send signals to your brain, process them, and produce the illusion of a seamless world. Your brain is basically timestamping everything slightly after it actually happens, and pretending it's happening now. Why? Because reality is too fast, too chaotic, too noisy to process instantly. So your brain delays the world slightly to make it easier to understand, which raises a profound question. Does the present even exist at all? From a certain perspective, it doesn't. We're always living in the past, seeing the past, reacting to the past. Whether it's the distant light from a dying star or the smile on a friend's face, it's always a replay, not the live event. Some physicists go even further and suggest we live in a block universe, a model where past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. Time doesn't flow, it just is. Everything that has ever happened and everything that will already exists, like pages in a book. We're just flipping through them one by one at our own pace. And in that model, Earth's destruction, if it happens, already exists somewhere in the timeline. We just haven't caught up to it yet. So, is this depressing? Maybe, but also maybe not. Think about this. If we're always seeing the past, then the beauty of life is that we're constantly surrounded by memory. Every star in the sky is a fossil made of light. Every sunset is a soft echo of the universe's relentless motion. Every human interaction is a dance through time. We may not be able to see the future, and we may not truly grasp the present, but we are witnesses to a universe that is constantly beaming stories to us, one photon at a time. And perhaps that's where the magic lies. Maybe the purpose of consciousness is not to live in the now, but to observe the past with awe and carry it forward with meaning. Maybe the fact that we'll never see the world as it truly is doesn't make it any less real. It just makes it more poetic. So, is Earth still here? As far as we know, yes. But remember, the universe doesn't deal in now. It deals in light. And as long as the light hasn't told us otherwise, we'll go on living our lives, unaware that we might already be the afterglow of something that's no longer there, and in a strange, haunting way that makes life even more precious. Every moment we live, every memory we make, every flicker of light we see, it's all part of a grand illusion that lets us exist between what was and what is yet to be. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, they're not just lights, they're time machines, they're windows into the past, and just maybe, they're showing us what's already happened to us. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.